Are birds even real? Some people don't think they're real. Some people think that in the 1950s, the US government eradicated every single bird and replaced it with a robotic, bird-like surveillance drone so it can keep track of all of your comings and goings or what you do. What do you do that the government needs to know about so bad? I mean, is everyone living a much more interesting life than me? I don't think the government wants to know about the grilled cheese I made earlier, or how many times a week I trim my fingernails. Anyway, are birds real? Who knows? Hey, what's up? It's Aurelius, and today we have a surprise visitor in the studio. Give it up for Vinny the Pigeon.
Hey, I'm Vinny. I just flew in from Brooklyn, and man, are my arms tired. Forget about it. Glad to be here. Normally, I'm kind of hard to see because I'm in disguise. Get it? Get it? I'm a bird. Hey.
So, Vinny, what's it like being a bird?
Hey, being a bird is great. No job, no responsibilities. Yesterday, I fought a seagull over a homeless man's hot dog in Central Park. Pooped all over a few Teslas. Not for nothing, I love being a bird.
Okay, Vinny, well, some people out there, they don't think birds are real. So I'm just gonna ask you, man to bird. Are birds real?
Yeah, that's just stupid. Birds are really spies for the government. I'm from Brooklyn. We don't talk to cops. Get the fuck out of here. What are you, simple?
Well, there you have it, folks. Vinny the Bird says birds are real.
Yeah. If you don't hit the subscribe button, I'm gonna drop a special delivery all over your windshield. Forget about it. Let's paint some robots. Hey, I'm a bird, forget about it. Here's the cinematic final shots of what has you. Thanks for watching. It's been a whole thing.
Those t-shirts are so dope.